In the misty forests of the Pacific Northwest, where the towering pines sway and the air is thick with mystery, an elusive legend takes root. It is here, amidst the dense wilderness, that tales of Bigfoot known by many names, such as Sasquatch, have been passed down through generations. Today, we delve into these legends, exploring the sightings that have enamored believers and skeptics alike. Our journey begins in the shadow of the Cascade Range, a haven for wildlife and stories that blur the line between reality and folklore. The first recorded Bigfoot sightings by European settlers date back to the late 1800s, although indigenous tribes of the region, such as the Coast Salish and the Yakima, have shared accounts of a large, hairy creature long before. In their cultures, Bigfoot is not just a creature, but a spiritual being, a guardian of nature, and a symbol of the unknown. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence purporting the existence of Bigfoot comes from 1967, captured in a grainy 59.5-second film by Roger Patterson and Bob Gimlin. This short film, shot in Bluff Creek, California, just south of the Oregon border, appears to show a large bipedal creature strolling across a clearing. Despite decades of scrutiny and skepticism, the Patterson-Gimlin film remains iconic, often described as the most important and scrutinized Bigfoot footage. The geographic allure of the Pacific Northwest, with its expansive and untouched landscapes, contributes significantly to the potency of these tales. The region is a vast expanse of unspoiled forest, ripe with the possibility of a creature that evades human detection. Reports of sightings and footprints appear periodically, leaving researchers and enthusiasts entrenched in an ongoing debate. These reports vary in detail but often describe a creature standing between 6 to 9 feet tall, with a distinctly human-like yet monstrous appearance, covered in dark fur. As we ponder these narratives, we meet Dr. Jeff Meldrum, a professor of anatomy and anthropology with a keen interest in Sasquatch. His research into the footprints purportedly left by Bigfoot has fueled both intrigue and contention. With over 300 footprint casts, Meldrum argues these impressions, marked by dermal ridges and a flexible midfoot, suggest a creature not human, nor entirely unknown. Skeptics, however, remain steadfast, often citing these as hoaxes or the case of misidentified known animals. The legends of Bigfoot are not solely preserved by cryptozoologists or enthusiasts. They have seeped into popular culture, transforming into a myriad of books, films, and television shows, and attracting millions to the idea that such a being might roam the forests. While many approach these stories with light-hearted skepticism, others, particularly locals, regard them with a respectful nod to cultural heritage and the possibility of nature's unfathomed mysteries. Yet, the question lingers: why are we so captivated by Bigfoot? Perhaps it's the allure of the unknown, the longing for something beyond the mundane, or the hope that there still exists a world beyond our reach, untouched by our civilization. In an era dominated by technology and rapid discovery, the idea of a hidden creature evokes a sense of wonder and possibility that is increasingly rare. As we conclude our exploration of Bigfoot sightings in the Pacific Northwest, we are left with more questions than answers. It is this enigma, this tantalizing blend of myth and potential reality, that ensures Bigfoot's place in our collective imagination, whether as a tangible creature, a guardian spirit, or an enduring legend of the wilderness. And so, as the sun sets on the endless forests and the call of the wild echoes into the night, we remember that some mysteries, perhaps, are best left unexplained.